Today, I am sharing a summer mobile phone bag that even beginners can learn in 10 minutes. It can hold essential small items for going out for a walk, practical and good-looking. Crochet of Change 5. Double strand yarn crochet. First start with 21 chain stitches. After the chain stitches are done, insert the hook from the second to last stitch. Crochet a single crochet, 1 chain, 1 single crochet. Crochet 20 single crochets. 20 single crochets are done. The first row of the bag bottom is completed. Turn over 1 stitch to crochet the second row. This row is also 1 stitch per eye, 1 single crochet. Second to fourth rows, 20 single crochets each row. Crochet back and forth in pieces. I have finished the fourth row here. Next, crochet a round of single crochets along these 4 edges. Everyone finish this round on your own. After this round of single crochets is done, the bag bottom is completed. Next, start crocheting the bag body. Chain 2, crochet 1 double crochet in the first stitch. This round is 1 double crochet per stitch eye. A total of 48 double crochets. After the first round is completed, start crocheting the pattern part. First make 2 chain stitches. Start to crochet front post double crochets. Yarn over the hook picks up the post of the first stitch from the outside. Bring the yarn out. Then crochet a double crochet normally. Sisters who don't know how can watch a few more times. Actually, it is just that the place where the hook enters each time is on this post. Picking up the post from the outside is called a front post double crochet. We need to crochet 4 front post double crochets here. After crocheting 4 front post double crochets, start crocheting back post double crochets. Yarn over the hook picks up the post from the inside. Then crochet a double crochet. This completes 1 back post double crochet. Here we also need to crochet 4 back post double crochets. After 4 back post double crochets are done, repeat the crochet. Rounds 1 to 2 of the bag body. 4 front post double crochets, 4 back post double crochets repeated. I have finished the first 2 rounds of the bag body here. Next, start crocheting the third round of the bag body. First make 2 chain stitches. Now start to crochet 4 back post double crochets. After the 4 back post double crochets are completed, start crocheting 4 front post double crochets. Rounds 3 and 4, 4 back post double crochets, 4 front post double crochets repeated. I have completed the 4th round here. The first 2 rounds and the 3rd and 4th rounds are 1 set of the pattern. A total of 5.5 sets of the pattern need to be crocheted. Everyone complete it on your own. I have finished all the patterns here. Next, finally crochet a round of single crochets without increasing or decreasing. After crocheting, the bag is considered completed. Finally sew on a magnetic buckle. Add a little small decoration, and the bag is finished. Have you learned it yet?